Hello everyone. If you're facing the frustrating issue of your smart TV not connecting to the Wi-Fi, you're not alone. There could be several reasons behind this problem. But let's start with the basics. Step 1. Check the location of your router. If your internet router is behind a couch or inside a closet, try moving it to an open space. It should be as close to your TV as possible. Then try to check the problem. If persists the same problem, then go on to the next step. Step 3. Restart router, modem and TV. Unplugging the TV for 30 seconds will clear its internal memory and help resolve any software glitches that may be causing the poor connection. So, turn off the TV and unplug it. Then reset the router and modem. Plug the TV back in when you're done and see if it connects. Step 4. Using a wired Ethernet connection. Switch to a wired connection. If the TV has an Ethernet port, connect it directly to the router or modem with an Ethernet cable. If this fixes the problem, then the TV's wireless adapter could be broken. Step 5. Factory reset your smart TV. If you're still having problems, your last resort is to reset your TV to factory default settings. This step will wipe all your data, so you'll need to reconfigure and install your TV apps from scratch when you're finished. Step 2. Change DHCP settings. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, helps the TV and router work together. This helps to get a unique Internet Protocol (IP) address to connect to the Internet. This option is available through the menu on the TV. In the network settings, if DHCP is currently off, turn it on. If it's already on, switch it off for a few seconds and then turn it back on. In summary, if your smart TV not connecting to the Wi-Fi, restart router, modem and TV. Replace the router and TV in same place. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem with your TV. If you have any better idea or questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more helpful videos. Your support means the world to us. Category 1. Best Overall TV. Model. TCL QM8. TCL has topped our list of the best TVs for the last